go with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. Anyway, I'll have 2 mango left over now, and you know what I mean, I wanna say I peeled the first mango, didn't good. Second one tastes a little bit sour, so I decided to do a very nice simple smoothie because I know how to make a smoothie. Anyway, please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. Stay tuned, and this is how we're going to do it. Mango and pineapple smoothie from Chef Ricardo today. Look how I'm going to do this one. You're gonna love it, and you can do this at home for the summer, for the kids. This is Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe. So stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So basically I have some mango right here. As I said before, I peeled the mango, didn't good. So what I'm gonna do now is do a lovely mango smoothie with some pineapple juice. Alright, so I already remove the skin from the mango, as you can see for yourself, guys. So basically, if you can do the same thing at home if you like, you know what I mean, you can make yourself a nice lovely mango smoothie at home. So this is what's gonna happen when I said mango smoothie. I peeled 2 mango, and none of them out of the 2 of them didn't good, and I'm really disappointed because I was looking forward to do my really nice lovely mango this morning, you know, have my mango and relax. But sometimes these things do happen. Alright guys, so as you can see exactly what's going on from Chef Ricardo today. Then we're going to have a piece of a ginger inside of it. You can put lemon juice, but I'm not going to use no lemon this time. So I'm going to put a few pieces of ice inside of it, like this. Alright. That look lovely already. Yes. That look really nice. So what I'm going to do now is put a little bit of pineapple juice in it to free up the blender. Not too much. See? Give it a shake like this. Alright? Then I'm gonna blend this about 3 to 4 seconds. Nice. So once you do that, remove the lid and then get some honey and squeeze it inside of it like this. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of honey. You don't want to be too sweet, so you have to be careful. Alright? Then you don't want it to be too sweet, so you really have to be careful. Cover it up back. And yes. Give it a shake again. Nice. So what we need to do now is we need to taste it. This is nice. Taste it again. Well, I put a little bit more honey. You know the reason why I put more honey? Because the mango is really sour. Nice. So let's taste it now. That's perfect. Really perfect, guys. I love it. Really nice. So basically, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Alright? You know, simple. That's it. Look at that. That is beautiful and nice, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. How you can use pineapple and mango and make a nice, lovely smoothie at home. Hopefully, you guys like the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. This is from Chef Ricardo. We got a lot more recipe coming out like this, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.